Thinking about installing a fence? You're not alone. A fence can completely transform your property in more ways than one. Stick around as I walk you through the top 5 reasons why you should install a fence. Reason number 1, privacy. A fence gives you the personal space you deserve. Whether you're hosting a barbecue or just relaxing in your yard, it keeps prying eyes away. Reason number 2, safety. If you've got kids or pets, a fence is a must. It keeps them safe and secure, especially if you have a pool or live near a busy street. Reason number 3, curb appeal. A well-designed fence adds charm and character to your property. It's like the perfect accessory that ties everything together. Reason number 4, boundary definition. Ever had disputes with a neighbor about where your property ends? A fence makes boundaries crystal clear and avoids unnecessary conflicts. Reason number 5, increased property value. Did you know a good fence can make your home more attractive to buyers? It's an investment that pays off. And there you have it. Privacy, safety, curb appeal, clear boundaries, and a boost in property value. What more could you ask for? So, ready to install your fence? Let me know in the comments which reason sold you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's on the fence. Pun intended. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.